So today, we're going to explore some of the best drinks for heart health around the world to keep arteries strong, flexible, and resilient, so blood flows smoothly around the body and organs can cleanse and repair themselves. But before we dig in, can you do us a favor? Click on the thumbs up and help us spread the word about heart disease prevention, and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. We want to make sure you get the latest info so you can live a long, healthy life. And stick around to find out how to get one heart health free gift from Aymara Golda Dietitians. We guarantee both you and your heart will love them. Number 10. Coffee is rich in compounds like polyphenols, which are known to have heart protective effects, including protecting and repairing the lining of the heart and blood vessels. In fact, according to the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, coffee is among the top 13 sources of polyphenols. One of the most important polyphenols in coffee is chlorogenic acid, which is famed for its anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic properties, and is believed to have benefits for preventing type 2 diabetes, obesity, Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, stroke and blood vessel damage. Some people do have a problem with the caffeine in coffee, so if that's you, opt for decaf instead. Studies show that a number of coffee's health benefits are also present in decaf options. Go for black coffee and avoid adding sugar and processed creamers, as they are going to negate the benefits you're getting. Number 9. Coconut water. Coconut water comes from inside young green coconuts and is often referred to as nature's sports drink. That's because it contains electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sodium, which replenish fluids lost during physical activity. It also has fewer calories than most other beverages, so it's a great choice if you're looking for something hydrating without sugar or added ingredients. But what does coconut water have to do with heart health? Studies have also shown that coconut water is beneficial for stabilizing blood sugar, protecting against oxidative stress, and controlling high blood pressure, all of which is key for keeping your ticker in top form. What's more, researchers found that coconut water may be even more effective than water at preventing kidney stones, breaking down and flushing out crystals before they become a problem. Now, one final note. Straight from the coconut is best as it avoids heat treatment and other processing that happens to packaged coconut water. But if you're not lucky enough to sip from a fresh coconut shell, check the label and avoid coconut water that contains added sugar. Number 8. Bitter gourd juice. Bitter gourd juice is also known as Karela juice, although not common in the Western world. It's popular in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean, and is used in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda. It's made by blending the Mamortica carantia plant, also known as bitter gourd, or bitter melon, and combining with water. Bitter gourd is particularly high in vitamin C, which is vital to protecting blood vessels from rupture. In fact, some cardiologists promote vitamin C as one of the most important nutrients for preventing heart disease. While there isn't a lot of research on bitter gourd juice, the existing research shows promise. A 30-day animal study found that feeding diabetic rats bitter gourd extract significantly reduced blood glucose. This is important because high blood sugar causes type 2 diabetes and can damage blood vessels in the heart, leading to plaque buildup in the arteries and possibly a heart attack. The rats that consumed bitter gourd extract also showed signs of repair in the pancreas and liver, while the rats that didn't receive bitter gourd didn't show the same signs of repair. A small human trial appears to show similar findings. 24 people received either bitter gourd extract or placebo in a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trial, the gold standard of scientific research. At the end of the 3-month trial, those who consumed bitter gourd had encouraging results. They showed reduced average blood sugar levels known as HbA1c levels, as well as weight loss for overweight patients and reduced waist circumference. So, while the research is still in its early stages, bitter gourd juice shows great promise as an excellent drink for heart health. Number 7. Chlorella. Chlorella is a type of single-celled freshwater algae that offers many health benefits. It's often called nature's multivitamin, which is no surprise as it's rich in vitamin C, vitamin B12, iron, calcium, all 9 essential amino acids, beta-carotene, lycopene, lutein, magnesium, zinc, copper, potassium, and folic acid. Furthermore, chlorella is touted for its ability to help the body detox heavy metals, because of the close link between heavy metals and atherosclerosis, or plaque, buildup in the arteries. Chlorella is a unique supplement for keeping arteries healthy. Studies have also found that chlorella enhances the immune system, prevents oxidation of cholesterol, promotes healthy blood pressure, and improves blood sugar control, as well as many other benefits for the eyes, liver, gut, and more. For all of these reasons, chlorella is a super heart-friendly drink. It's a natural supplement, and while it may not taste so great, it's great for you. Choose a high-quality chlorella powder from a trusted supplier and simply mix a teaspoon into water or a smoothie. Number 6. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is known for its tart flavor. It also has important health benefits, particularly for the heart. Studies show that regular consumption of pomegranate juice may reduce risk factors associated with cardiovascular disease. This includes improving artery health and blood sugar control. Research suggests that polyphenols, powerful antioxidants found in pomegranates, are responsible for these beneficial effects by reducing inflammation and improving blood flow to the heart muscle itself. Overall, drinking pomegranate juice regularly could be an excellent way to prevent many common cardiovascular problems while enjoying some deliciousness at the same time. Number 5. Beetroot juice. Nothing beats the deep red color of fresh beetroot juice. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but studies show that drinking beetroot juice can do wonders for heart health. One study found that consuming 250 milliliters of beetroot juice daily for 4 weeks was associated with reduced systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels among people with hypertension. Nitrates in beetroot become nitric oxide once consumed, which causes arteries to relax and become more flexible, helping to stabilize blood pressure and prevent artery damage. Another study found that drinking beetroot juice improved blood flow to the brain, and that beetroot juice may help to prevent dementia and other cognitive decline. Furthermore, the potassium in beetroot helps to protect nerves and aid healthy muscle function. And it has also been shown to support the liver and promote healthy cholesterol, making beetroot juice an excellent option to keep the whole body functioning optimally, with strong muscles and a good supply of clean blood throughout. Before we continue, I would love to give you a free resource. The surprising things. Your doctor failed to tell you about fat and cholesterol. Also, subscribe to this channel and please turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the other part of this video. It's something that everyone concerned about their heart health must watch. You can click the link in the description below to claim your free gift.